Hi children, how are you? I hope you all are fine. Children, today we are going to learn a new chapter, that is chapter number 4, position. In chapter number 4, positions, we are going to learn on, under, above, below, before, between and after. Children, where do you keep your books? Okay, in the bag, right? If not, at times you keep it on the shelf or on your study table, isn't it? Okay, now tell me, where do you sleep? You sleep on the bed. So there is a place where you sleep, isn't it? That is on the bed, isn't it? Okay. Now, when you are in the classroom, children, where do you keep your bag? Yes, under the desk. So the place where you keep your bag is under the desk, right? Okay. Now, children, how do you hold your umbrella when it is raining? Yes. Do you hold it in your hand upside down? No. You hold it above your head. Right? Okay. So the place where you hold your umbrella when it is raining, it is above your head. Okay. So, children, today let us learn about positions. What is position? Okay? Children, every living thing and non-living thing has a place of its own, and the particular place of objects where we place them is called as its position and is described by using words like on, under, inside, outside, above, below, before, after, between, top, bottom, near, far, etc., etc. So, children, every living and non-living thing has a place of its own, and the particular place of objects where we place them is called as its position and is described by using words like on, under, inside, outside, above, below, before, after, between, top, bottom, near, far, etc., etc. Okay? Children, now look at this beautiful garden. And do you know whose garden is this? This is Raju's garden. And children, you can see he is flying a kite. Children, look at the tree. Wow! A small black color bird is sitting on the tree. What else can we see? Let us see. Children, see, there is a ball, and the ball is under the tree. Wow! Now see, children, the sun is shining bright above the cloud. Children, look at Raju's colorful kite, which is below the cloud. Do you all like flying kites like Raju? Yes, I am sure you all like to fly kites. Hey, See, there is a bat also before the house. Children, look, there is one more tree after the house. Children, Raju's house is very colorful, isn't it? And Raju's house is between the bat and the tree. Children, did you all like Raju's garden? Yes, it is very beautiful, isn't it? You can also draw a garden like Raju's, okay? So look at this picture. You have to look at this picture and draw a garden like this in your notebook and color it very nicely, okay? Okay. Now children, I hope you will all enjoy drawing and coloring this garden. Children, let us learn the concept of on, under. Children, what can you see here in this picture? Here we have a table, a bottle and a bag, isn't it? Okay. Now children, look at the picture properly. Where is the bag? The bag is on the table. Therefore, position of bag is on the table. Now children, where is the bottle? It is under the table. Therefore, position of the bottle is under the table. Now children, here is a chair. Let us see who is going to sit on it. A dog. Children, where is the dog sitting? The dog is sitting on the chair. Therefore, position of the dog is on the chair. Now, his friend monkey is going to join him. Let us see the monkey. Now children, where is his friend monkey sitting? His friend monkey is under the chair. So dog is on the chair and monkey is under the chair. Therefore, position of doggy is on the chair and monkey is under the chair. Children, here is a table. Wow, what is this children? It's a ball. And where is the ball? The ball is on the table. Therefore, position of the ball is on the table. Now children, what is this? It's a toy horse. Where is the toy horse? It is under the table. Therefore, position of the toy horse is under the table. Now children, look at this picture. What can you see here in this picture? We can see a teddy, stool and a bottle, right? Now children, where is the teddy? Teddy is on the stool. And where is the bottle? Bottle is under the stool. Therefore children, position of teddy is on the stool and the bottle is under the stool. Now children, we are going to learn the concept above, below. Children, in this picture, where is the aeroplane? Aeroplane is above the cloud. And where is the bird? It is below the cloud. Therefore, the position of aeroplane is above the cloud and the bird is below the cloud. Children, which is this animal? Yes, you are right. It is a monkey. Which is this bird? It is a tiny little sparrow. And which is this insect? It is a colorful butterfly. Now children, where is the sparrow? The sparrow is above the monkey. And where is the butterfly? The butterfly is below the monkey. Therefore, children, position of the sparrow is above the monkey and position of the butterfly is below the monkey. Children, look at this picture. In this picture, position of the clouds are above the house and position of the grass is below the house. Children, what is this? It is a cloud. What is this? It is a sun. And this is a crow. Now children, where is the sun? The sun is above the cloud. And where is the crow? The crow is below the cloud. Therefore, children, position of the sun is above the cloud and position of the crow is below the cloud. Children, what is this? It is a ladder. And what is this? It is a ball. And here we have a toy horse. Now children, where is the ball? It is above the ladder. And where is the toy horse? It is below the ladder. Therefore, children, position of the ball is above the ladder and the toy horse is below the ladder. Children, what is this? It is a cloud. And what is this, children? You must have seen this earlier also in the sky. Yes, it is a helicopter. And what are these? Yes, these are kites. You all love flying kites, isn't it? Okay. Now children, tell me, where is the helicopter? Helicopter is above the cloud. And where are the kites? Kites are below the cloud. Therefore, children, position of the helicopter is above the cloud and the kites are below the cloud. Children, here is a tree, a sun, and a butterfly. Now children, the position of the sun is above the tree and the position of the butterfly is below the tree. Now we are going to learn before, between and after. We have done before, after and between in the chapter 1. Do you remember? Yes. So now let us see. Here are some numbers. Children, which are these numbers? Number 1, number 2 and number 3. Now children, here number 1 is before number 2 and number 3 is after number 2 and number 2 is in between number 1 and number 3. Therefore, children, position of number 1 is before 2 and position of number 3 is after 2 and position of number 2 is between number 1 and number 3. Children, look at the screen. Here are some animals. Children, the elephant is before the zebra. The zebra is between the elephant and the giraffe. And the giraffe is after the zebra. Therefore, children, position of elephant is before zebra and position of zebra is between the elephant and the giraffe and position of giraffe is after zebra. Children, here is a baby cow, octopus and a dog. Now children, baby cow is before the octopus and octopus is between baby cow and the dog and dog is after octopus. Therefore, children, position of baby cow is before octopus and position of the octopus is in between the baby cow and the dog. Position of the dog is after the octopus. Children, here we have a parrot, coconut tree and a sparrow. Children, parrot is before coconut tree and sparrow is after coconut tree and the coconut tree is in between the parrot and the sparrow. Now children, here is a bunny, goat and a hen. Children, bunny is before goat, hen is after the goat and the goat is in between the bunny and the hen. Therefore, children, position of bunny is before goat and position of the hen is after the goat and position of the goat is in between bunny and the hen. Children, here we have a duck, colorful house and grass. Children, duck is before the house, grass is after the house and the house is in between the duck and the grass. Therefore, position of duck is before the house, position of grass is after the house, position of the house is in between the duck and the grass. Now here we have a sparrow, pussycat and a ladybug. Children, sparrow is before cat. Cat is in between the sparrow and the ladybug, and the ladybug is after the cat. Children, position of the sparrow is before the cat. Position of the cat is in between sparrow and the ladybug, and position of the ladybug is after the cat. Now here is a kangaroo, tree and a hippo. Children, here we have kangaroo before the tree and hippo after the tree, and the tree is in between the kangaroo and the hippo. Therefore, position of kangaroo is before the tree and position of the hippo is after the tree, and position of the tree is in between the kangaroo and the hippo. Now children, look at these three cute toys. Here we have the caterpillar in between the dog and the bunny, and the dog before the caterpillar and the bunny is after the caterpillar. So children, position of the dog is before the caterpillar and position of bunny is after the caterpillar, and position of the caterpillar is in between the dog and the bunny. Children, do you remember this garden? Yes, this is Raju's garden, and I know even you are going to draw a garden like Raju in your notebook, isn't it? Very good. Nicely draw the garden and color, okay? Now children, here the position of sun is above the cloud. Position of the kite is below the cloud. Position of the little bird is on the tree. Position of the ball is under the tree. Position of the bat is before the house. Position of the house is in between the bat and the small tree. Position of the small tree is after the house. So children, here we have on, under, above, below, before, after, between, all these position words, right? So I hope you all understood what are position words. Now children, here are some worksheet activities based on the concept on, under, above, below, before, between and after. Children, again here we have Raju's garden. Okay, now children, look at the picture and write the correct answers in your book for the questions given in the next slide. Okay, bye. Take care.